Ask any influencer. If you go to LA and you don't blow your entire monthly grocery budget on like a snack or smoothie from Erewhon, are you even influencing? Like sometimes when I see the prices on some people's Erewhon grocery hauls, I think, are they trolling us? Like a bottle of water for 26 bucks? Coconut yogurt for 24 bucks? Chili for $31? Or a glass bottle with a couple tea bags and some water in it for 30 USD? The big D? And not even the D we wanna see? So that. Like, this is not even about getting the best quality food. It's really about aligning yourself with an image of privilege and class. And even if you were to be like a 30-something millionaire, you don't stay rich spending $30 on like ground up almonds when you can invest those $27 and get the exact same thing. That's just stupid in my opinion. So let's take a few of Erewhon's most popular ready-to-eat recipes, strip them of their BS and pretense, and make them for a fraction of the price. Because I would rather buy shoes. I'm really excited about this. I haven't actually been to Erewhon yet, so I have not yet experienced the crux shittery in real life. But a lot of people are saying that their food bar items are actually pretty good. But I'm also pretty sure people have to convince themselves of that when they spend their entire weekly grocery budget on lunch. First up, let's talk smoothies. There are so many overpriced, overhyped smoothies on Erewhon's menu. Like, it is really gonna be hard to choose. So let's just stick with the celebrity endorsed collabs. We got Bella Hadid, Kourtney Kardashian, and Hailey Bieber. I'm gonna say we go with Hailey today because her $17 strawberry glazed skin smoothie definitely got a lot of hype online. So according to various sources online, this recipe contains almond milk, dates, vanilla collagen, sea moss, coconut cream, maple syrup, hyaluronic acid, strawberries, avocado, vanilla stevia, and a little strawberry glaze for garnish. I think we can do without the BS and save ourselves some coin. Let's do it. All right, strawberries we can do. Oh, I went a little crazy. But I got all my ingredients at Walmart and the frozen strawberries were on sale. So I figured this is a great time to use them. Lots of vitamin C and lots of fiber. We got avocado, healthy fats and fiber. We have our vanilla collagen in here. And I'm gonna add a half scoop of vanilla plant-based protein powder, which gives us a much more favorable amino acid profile for skin, nails, and for satiety and muscle protein synthesis. Easy little tip there. I got 2 dates. The recipe that I found called for pits in, but I think that's a bad idea. And then a little maple syrup. I think we can skip the vanilla stevia because the dates plus the strawberries plus the protein powder plus the maple syrup, it's sweet enough for this girl. And then we just blend her together with a little almond milk. Looks about right. I'm gonna skip the sea moss and the hyaluronic acid because I don't feel like spending $100 just in shipping alone just to make a smoothie for your viewing pleasure, especially when I know that I'm unlikely to use it again, and it's also unlikely to do anything measurable in a milkshake. But in case you're wondering, sea moss is of course very nutritious, similar to other seaweeds. So it's a source of live bacteria and prebiotics, plus a really high source of iodine. But the research that we have to support its use for gut health has been done on rats. So we really don't know what kind of dosage we would need in humans to see any kind of measurable result. Plus, as a supplement, it's not well regulated. So you could very well be ending up with higher than expected levels of iodine, which can negatively affect the thyroid in some folks. As for the hyaluronic acid, it is an evidence-based supplement, especially for joint health. But because this is the skin smoothie, I'm assuming that the use of hyaluronic acid is for skin elasticity and wrinkle prevention. And the research showing benefits used around 200 milligrams of hyaluronic acid. And I would be shocked if Erewhon was adding more than a few drops. So I'm just gonna say skip that, save your money, invest in a really nice spa day or a really good quality hyaluronic acid based night cream, which is probably far more effective than an occasional trip to Erewhon. So Hailey's smoothie has some homemade strawberry glaze, as she calls it. I'm just gonna use some chia strawberry jam here. Definitely could have made my own, but I'm lazy like that. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And then she takes some coconut cream, puts a little there on the sides. Who the would do this in real life? I don't know, but I guess it's for the gram. Jackson Pollock here. All right, this is gonna be good. Little pour action. If your straw doesn't match the shirt, why bother? So this recipe cost me $2.80 as opposed to the $17 if you went to Erewhon. Plus I have the added benefit of some extra protein in there, which Haley's recipe does not have. Oh yeah, she is so good. Success. Okay, let's talk salads. So Erewhon has a bunch of influencer-backed salads, but I have seen a million posts about the kale and white bean salad. Hello? Do you not know that there's a YouTube star here filming? Sorry about that. So the ingredients in this are pretty self-explanatory. We got kale, we got white beans, avocado, a bunch of seeds. We love it. My Instacart app said I'd be spending about $19 a pound on this salad, and I've seen lots of other reports of people saying that they spent anywhere between 14 to 20 bucks. So yeah, that pretty much does check out. But guys, this is so easy. Please do not spend this kind of money on this.
They're like literally jackhammering right in front of your eyes.
I know. It's gonna be weeks of this. They say you can't make friends with salad, but I'm determined to prove them wrong. Whoever them is. I'm gonna make a serving in one bowl just to make it super simple. All right, a little bit of tahini as our base, a little bit of mustard, a little hint of maple, salt, pepper, some lemon, hopefully no seeds. Still got a seed in there. Oh! You can't make a damn dressing without burning your hangnail. Then mix that together, and if you need to thin it out a little bit, you just add a splash of water. Tap water. Controversial, I know. Nice. Next, got some kale. Kale could not be more affordable when you compare it to all them other greens out there, so please do not spend money on pre-made kale mixes. Gonna massage the out of it. Now, massaging kale is not just a pleasurable pastime. It actually has a purpose. We want to start to break down some of those tough fibers so it makes it a lot easier to digest and also just more enjoyable to chew on. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I don't have 2 hours to eat a salad at lunch. Give her some love. Nice. All right, we're gonna throw in some white beans. Great source of protein to pair with our fiber. Give that a toss in the dressing. Nice.
Nice.
Oh, that was
You do it really well.
I did it really well. All right, then let's serve her up. We got avocado for our healthy fats. And we finished off with lots of pumpkin seeds and my favorite, hemp hearts. Tons of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. This is a very generous portion for $2.80. Like, why would you do it any other way? Understand the hype, not the price. For our main today, let's do Erewhon's coconut turmeric chicken fingers. There's been a lot of chatter about these chicken fingers online, which is actually kind of sad that there's like chatter about a grocery store hot bar item. But I guess everyone loves their tendies. So their version has a combination of coconut, cornmeal, and brown rice flour. And then they do buttermilk and coconut milk for the dredge, which is really strange to me because like, why wouldn't they just keep it dairy free? They could put more letters at the end of the recipe and probably charge more for it.
Add it in, add it in, get it in, get it in, get it in.
But anyways, my app said that these would cost me $26 a pound, and considering how easy they are to make at home, we can definitely do better than that. So let's do it. I'm gonna use almond flour instead of the brown rice flour that Erewhon uses. It's got lots of healthy fats and protein. Unsweetened coconut. We got tahini, some lime zest, salt, pepper, and turmeric. Because if you put a pinch of turmeric in it, you can charge twice as much for it. All right, for the wet, we got an egg, a little splash of coconut milk, got juice of half a lime, and I just like to season every layer. A little salt and pepper. All right, so I got some chicken breasts that I cut into strips, adding some salt. Now we dip. You need a wet hand and a dry hand. That is the key. Let's pop this into a 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping it halfway through.
5 hours later.
This right here worked out to $2.40 when I bought the ingredients at Walmart. Not bad, recession, not bad. The flavor, so good. You don't even need the dip. Oh, it's the tahini. The tahini takes it to the next level. Erewhon, take notes. You can't go to Erewhon apparently and not get their buffalo cauliflower for a cool price of $20 per pound. Based on what I read online, their ingredients include brown rice flour, oregano, arrowroot, nutritional yeast, and then they fry it in a rice bran oil. And also funny that they use rice bran oil, which does have an unfavorable omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, but maybe it just sounds a little bougier than canola oil. That's marketing, baby.
Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
Right, but if you can make a client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No.
Honestly, I have no interest in sticking at my whole house deep frying, so we're gonna bake ours, which will make our recipe a little healthier, a little bit more nutritious than just a bunch of healthified ingredients. So let's do it. I got some whole wheat flour here instead of the brown rice flour. Way more accessible and, in my opinion, more nutritious. Their recipe has oregano, nutritional yeast, great source of B12 and protein. Ooh, a little cayenne for a kick, salt, and pepper. Give her a stir. Then to make the batter, we're gonna add some non-dairy milk. I'm using this kind of protein milk just to get a little bit extra protein in there, seeing as this is just a vegetable side. And then we're just gonna eyeball it until it gets to like the right texture. Still a little bit too thick. I think this will do it. That'll do. Nice. All right, gonna spray my baking pan, coat these bad boys, and get them coated in the batter. Ooh, I'm an escape artist. Ooh. Jumper. All right, pop them onto our baking sheet. Make sure they're super separated. No one can touch anyone else so that they can get really crispy. No clumps, no steaming. Let's throw this into a 450-degree oven for about 20 minutes until they're golden brown. All right.
A few moments later.
Looking good. Step one, done. We got cauliflower, let's make it buffalo style. So I've got some Frank's Red Hot here. That's gonna take forever. Not that much. A little bit of melted vegan butter. Obviously you can use regular butter. Give it a swirl. Oh, the crunchy bits. That's all the good stuff. In we go, quickly, into the pool. Tossy, tossy, toss, toss. Everybody in, everybody in. You don't want them to get too soggy, so you gotta move your body. I've never worked in a professional kitchen, but I know that they do this a lot. Make sure it's well oiled. Back out we go. Oh my God, it tastes so good already. The smell of vision. My mouth is just watering. Oh, can't wait to get you in my mouth. All right, 10 more minutes at 450 and then we eat. This is a whole head of cauliflower. So if we want to serve this as a little appy or side for 4 people, we're down to $1.20 per serving. Yoink. Why would you do cauliflower any other way? I'm just gonna be here all day. So what do we learn here, folks? Well, you can spend $55 on lunch at Erewhon, or you could spend $9 and probably make it a lot more nutritious in the process. And now I've got meal prep for the week. We love it. So if you guys like this type of video, please give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you'd like to see more. If you've got other recipes that you want to see me recreate, if you want to see more overpriced bougie Erewhon recipes, get at me. I will do it for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, ring that little bell, and if you're looking for more hunger crushing combos, hit up the description to get my free hunger crushing combo ebook. All right, thanks guys. I will see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye.